Guys, here is Germany, guys. They let me make rice all the time.
Look there. Behind you. Beside you.
But we have rice, da? Punk. Pero dili every day, every 3 hours. Every 3 times a day.
Now I know on your mind that every 3 hours.
Puro. So, galuto akong kubana o carbonara. Lami. Di ba? Murag buwa. Enjoy!
Enjoy, guys! Suya sa kabe. Lamig kayo siya. Nawag sulod.
Dapat, yung pamanhon, kabalong muluto.
Good.
Lami.